And then like earlier that the microwave like a great.
Okay, now we're going to microwave some lip gloss.
And then later we'll microwave the tube.
And then the tube.
And then we're gonna microwave a crayon.
There's the evil cat.
He's
Come on,
adorable.
come on,
That thing.
How long should we put it in there for? Just not
39 seconds.
Really?
Press start.
I can't see.
Just press start. I'm afraid. It's just a little bit. What if it like freaks out and the microwave just turns off? It's like,
No,
bitch, I ain't
if
doing
you put
this.
something metal in there, it would probably shut off the microwave.
You're like, what?
Yeah, like, and then it like sizzle.
It like shorts the whole house and it loses power.
Oh, that would suck.
That'd be awesome.
I would freak out so badly.
This lip gloss isn't doing anything.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not gonna do
What?
it.
I'm not feeding you.
Be in there for longer. It'll just like. gross.
Microwave smells weird.
It smells like eggs and stoves
And muffins.
and lotion.
I don't know. It's all everything that we did.
Wait, let's see if it did anything.
It did nothing. It might have hardened.
That's really funny.
Let me see.
I bet it's just
Oh
hot.
god, the plate is hot.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's just hot. Not really though. Well, that was a failure.
The plate is really hot.
Lame.
Alright, now we're gonna microwave the tube.
What do you think? What would this do?
A battery. Let's put a battery in
No!
there. Oh my god. A nut? What are you, nuts?
Hey,
This is the tube of the lip gloss. What if you like then we open the microwave?
Wait, can you see it? Oh, I've never done this before.
I like the CD one the best.
Oh, that was
Scary.
video.
The video made you just I was like 2 seconds into it, I was like, fizzled over.
3 seconds.
it's so cool.
Nothing's happening, man. This microwave or this tube sucks. Why does it make lip gloss so indestructible? What the hell?
No, it's not doing anything. This is stupid.
Why can't it like sizzle like the CD?
Oh, that like sent sparks all throughout it. That's why it looks all like crusty.
You're not done with yours?
I'm not.
I'm done with mine. Man, I hate this lip gloss. It's dumb. Man, this lip gloss sucks. My cat. I'm not feeding you! I thought we were playing with a box or something. Okay.
It's about to be
2,
done.
1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yay! Yes, I'm gonna turn 21 soon. Ow, those plates really hot.
Did it do anything at all?
No! Oh my god!
It smells burned. It burned around the edges.
Okay, so that was a failure.
Okay, well, lip gloss is gay.
Look at our collection of stuff.
What the hell? Why won't this melt? What is this made out of? It smells really bad.
Ew.
Ew!
Yeah.
Gross. Okay.